Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Right, so today I'm going to share with you all the way I make split peas rice. I like to sweat our vegetable ingredients first and then add our cooked split peas and cooked rice. So we're going to start with the oil. And I'm going to add the pumpkin, carrots, corn, garlic, onion, celery, Chadon Beni, saffron, and black pepper. We give a little stir. We cover and allow ingredients to sweat for 2 minutes and then come back. Right, after our ingredients, all our vegetables sweat a little bit, we're going to add our cooked split peas, our cooked rice, mix, and our habanero pepper, cover and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. So now we allow the rice to steam a little bit. Typically this is not the way we do traditionally. We do split peas. This method is just a easy way for those who probably never did split pea rice before. You're guaranteed for your split pea rice to come out good. You know, to come out something that you know that you will feel proud of serving. Right? And now it's ready and ready to serve.